Today I'm going to read Colors of Me by Brian Barnes. I'm coloring the world in these pictures that I drew. What color should I be? Which crayons should I choose? What color am I to the sky? What color am I in my dreams? What color am I to the moon? What color am I to the sea? Does the rain think I'm a color when it falls on my head? Do the clouds think I'm a color? Maybe they think I'm green or blue or red. Does the grass know it's green? Does the sky know it's blue? Does the rain have a color? If it did, would it make puddles too? If flowers had no color, would they smell as sweet? Does the sun know the sky turned purple before it went to sleep? If the trunks of trees were blue and orange, would they grow so tall? I think I'd climb them either way, if they were any color at all. Do butterflies know the color of their wings, or only that they can fly? The world is full of growing, walking, flying colors that paint the earth and sky. I can't help but wonder, which one am I? When kittens play, do they wonder about the color of their string? Can crayons make color that laugh, play, and sing? Do I have to choose one color? I want to be them all. Orange, brown, blue, purple, pink, yellow, red, black, white, and green. The whole world is full of colors, just like you and me.